Welcome to another episode for our channel here at Carbon Media. Again, this is Mikey, and today kasama ko ngayon yung aking pamangkin, si Kiefer. And we are now here at Clark International Speedway for the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup Round 2. So let's go! Now here at Clark, so let's check out the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Yan. So ito na, dito ko sa entrance. You can see the arco. Yan. Let's check out what's happening here. The admin booth. Yan. Medyo iba yung setting nila ngayon compared to last round. So they have this little thing here, parang VIP thing. Let's check out the Bridgestone booth. Check out the tires. The Bridgestone Ecopia, they have it here. The Bridgestone Toranza. And my favorite, personal favorite, the Potenza RE004. Currently I'm using a R003, but hopefully soon I can try out the R004. Yan, very ano to, makapit. And the Dweller for 4x4. Ganda. Bridgestone. Let's check out the Petron Pete's booth. Sakto nauuhaw kami. Uhaw ka? Oh, let's buy some drinks. Ma'am, anong drinks yun dyan? Mountain Dew, Pepsi. Get the Pepsi, Mountain Dew. You have to temperature yourself. There you go. Let's check out the other booths here. So, ito, punta natin itong Brembo. One of our brand partners for Carbon Media is Brembo. Hey JJ! Pero siyempre, alam mo, nauuhaw kayo eh. Oh. Have some drinks, bro.
Sponsor ba natin, no?
Hindi. Bumili lang ako sa treats. Oh, ayan. So check out the brakes here for Brembo. Yeah, you can never go wrong with Brembo, guys. So check it out.
Sir.
Recommended ko to. I personally use this for my car. Sobrang kapit, pang daily and racing use. Jay, ano ba itong mga pads na dala mo dito? Mga pang anong cars to?
Well, GT86.
Ayan, pag GT86.
A92 to 111.
Yun, no? Ah, same lang pala sila.
Yes. Vios.
Vios, yun, sakto. Sa akin, kailangan ko na kabitan kasi luma akong Brembo, manipis na. So, Fortuner. Ito, mga pang LC ba to? Malalaki?
Front ng GT86.
6. Ah, okay. Laki.
LC 100.
LC 100.
Front and rear ng LC 100.
So, yan o. So, most cars naman, they have available stocks for Brembo. So, inquire lang kayo sa AUTOPERFORMANCE, Brembo PH, para malaman nyo kung meron silang Brembo patch for your car. Brembo number 1. Let's check out the Rota booth. Hi boss, welcome to the vlog. Let's check out the rims. Ito yung bagong labas na rims ng Rota eh.
O monthly na lang, message mo monthly.
Pangalan nito is Rota Sprint 17 by 7.5 4 volts by 100. Kalalabas lang nito, ang ganda. Sana magkaroon ng 15. Ayan, they have it in hyper silver, gunmetal, and gold. Kasi ito yung type yun nila. Ito, napakagaan na wheels nito. Ayan, check natin. Oh, sobrang gaan guys. Taiku, perfect for racing. Ito, check natin ang weight nito. Ito, magaan din for a 17s. Not bad. Diba? Ang gaan for a 17s. Oh, mabigat pa rin.
Sa akin mabigat po.
And here are the other wheels. Ito, mga pang SUV, Overland. Ito, ang pangalan, Fighter. Torque. Ito, Rota Torque. And the green plastic. Yan, so ito yung mga wheels on display for today here at the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup for Rota. Rota number 1. Yeah, let's watch sporting class. So dito sila Inigo, sila John Dizon. Ito, ayan. Panoorin mo to, magandang laban yan.
Nakakilala ko yung Inigo eh.
Oo.
Sporting, sila Roy, sila Joaquin.
Those are like Cinderella stories.
Inigo in third place, John Dizon in first, Brian Ko in second,
It can change this person's life.
Red Diwa in fifth, Roy Sarmiento in sixth place, Joaquin Garrido on seventh, Miguel Quinones
Si Roy, first sa Sporting.
first sa Sporting, si Roy. Okay na.
Wala kay Roy, Sporting na yun.
Sporting na. Yung 5 to 1, Super Sporting.
Yes.
Ang ganda lumiko, oh. JJ, may kamukha si Buboy dito. Kamukha ni Buboy yun, oh. Kamukha ni Buboy. Ay, si Buboy pala talaga. Kaya may kamukha lang. Sa Buboy. Prototype. Yeah, boy. Yan, sila uli ang nag-detail ng mga cars dito sa Gazoo Racing in Led Manila. Carbon medyas. You know, uniform. Ayan, we are now here at the Prototype booth. So, ang Prototype is sila ang nag-detail ng mga GR86 dito sa Vios Cup. And right here, they have the red one. So yan, dito muna siya nakatago. Ginamit ba to sa parade kanina, boy? Itong pula? So ito yung ginamit kanina sa parade lap ng Vios Cup.
Test drive ka.
Ah, pinatest drive din? Ikaw na-test drive mo?
Ako naman nag-iikot niyan.
Yan. Kamusta yung loob?
Okay naman.
Looks the same with the
Hindi,
old?
magkaiba.
Magkaiba. Walang susi, di natin makita yung interior. Pero ayan, mas kita natin yung detalye ngayon kasi yung kaninang nandoon, dark. So,
Pero ito premium, bakit?
Matic Matic Premium. So,
Iba rin yung mag.
iba din ang mag. So, okay nga, no? Ayan. So, ayan. Iba yung kulay ng mags. Black lang siya. Yung isa two-tone. Yung front fascia ngayon, kita-kita mo yung detalye. The grills. The projector headlights. May line guide na rin siya na DRL. Ganda, no? Parang Supra rin, no? A little, oh. Ang ganda pula. Yung loob. This one's an automatic. Ganda. Ayan, makikita natin yung detail ng likod ngayon. Ayan. Much better. Ganda ng taillight niya. The GR86 and the twin mufflers. And the ducktail, ang ganda, oh. Let's check out the inside of the GR86. So, check out the steering wheel. It's nice. And the entertainment system. The shifter, it's an automatic. This is the premium model. There's yung mga modes and other buttons here.
The new car smell.
The new car smells good.
Smells really cool. Pasok kayo guys sa kotse ko.
Yeah.
Tour ko kayo.
Okay, you can see the GR badges here. Ganda ng pedals niya. And even sa mating GR.
Ano?
Oh. Ito, yung trunk button.
Tignan mo yung legroom sa likod. Dito mo yan. Barely any legroom.
Barely any legroom on this car. Dito sa likod. So ayan, so ito ang view mo pag nandiyan ka. Nice.
So nice.
Ganda.
So ano siya? May option ka na pwede mag-paddle shifter and dito?
Oo. Pwede ka sa sport mode mo dito, sa shifter or paddle shifter.
Ah, okay. Ang galing.
Ganda. Ganda din ng seats niya. All good. Let's pop the hood of the new GR86. So, it's a still the boxer engine from the old 86, but this one is 2.4 liter compared to the old one na 2 liter. So 2.4 na to. Same pa rin ba to? D45 yung luma, boy. Mas malaki lang yung displacement. So ayan, no? Very nice and clean. Of course, detailed by Prototype. Ayan, oh.
Wala ako makikita na dito. Wala.
Walang dumi.
Wala.
Walang bahid ng dumi. HID siguro to. Mga lights niya. Pero you see the oil filter, no? Sa oil, wiper, the intake, airbox. What's this? Alternator, boy. Oh, ha? Laking fuse box. Ano to? ECU? Ah, nandito pala ECU niya. Alright. Ang laki ng battery.
Naka-expose ba yung ECU? Or...
Ayan. That's the ECU.
Pero like in cars.
So yan. So the new GR86. So hopefully makapag-review tayo nito soon. So abangan natin. Ito yung ating prototype boys for today. Boss Regan. Yan. Welcome to the vlog. Yan si Boss Regan. Siya nagme-maintain ng kotse natin. Alaga-alaga ni Boss Regan. Alright, let's check out the Autocross Challenge here at Clark. So ito, check natin yung car. So these are the cars that will be used for the Autocross Challenge. So ayan. So I think we have a lot of competitors for today's leg. So ikaw, ano? Gusto mo mag-autocross?
Yes!
Yan, try mo yan.
I want!
Let's take a sneak peek of one of the Vios Cup cars. So yan, you see full race using Rota wheels with a GR livery. Yan o. Roll cage, strip down, OMP bucket seats, huge wing. Here are Vios Gen 4 Vios Cup cars. Yan. If you want to get into motorsports, grassroots racing, pwede kang mag-start ng autocross. Then, kasi mahuhon yung skills mo in maneuvering the car, handling the car. Kahit hindi naman siya ganun kabilis, but you get to learn how to feel the car, control the car. Then after that, we can do on track days. And hopefully, swertin tayo, circuit. So yan. So, yun yun. Sa mga gusto kumarera, you should try Super Sprint or Autocross. So, it's the last race of the day for the grid race for the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. So, check natin. Let's go! Hey! Boss Francis of BREMBO and JJ. What's up, boss? Yun, oh. Hi, boss. Kumusta?
Enjoy naman, Vios Cup na naman.
Yes, it's another Vios Cup event here. And also BREMBO is always present at AUTOPERFORMANCE. Yeah. That is some intense racing.
Wow!
Ganda nung last race. Ganda ng laban with Inigo Anton. Di ba?
Oo, sobra. Galing ni Inigo?
Oh, too bad na nag-retire si John Dizon. Pero ayun nga, that's racing ang ganda ng karera for the last race for this round 2 of the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. So let's check kung ano pa yung mga happening dito. So this is the scrutineering area. So for this one, wini-weigh in yung cars. And for this one, this is the dyno. So check nila kung tama pa rin yung mga horsepower ng auto, if it went over or under. And for this one as well, the weighing scale. So i-measure din nila kung pasok pa on qualifications yung weight ng car. Safety car for the Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. Ganda, check it out. Sino ba driver nito? Punta si Gab, dapat to eh. What is up? Yun o. Kya, pembarya. Pembarya.
Papel, sama.
Makakain ko ba yan, kuya? Nice! Yomo, super!
Asan na si ano?
Si Smiley, wala. Absent.
OMR.
Ha?
Boy OMR.
Wala. Nandun sa bahay. May trabaho.
Kakalikot ng OMR.
Kakalikot, di mapakali. Kaya ako lang ngayon. Hi, Ate Mar! Nice racing! Wild, wild! Yeah, boy, nice racing, bro! Yun o. So, yan o. You can see cars with no bumpers, tire marks on the sides of the cars. Intense racing. Yan o, Roy Sarmiento #1! Check out that old school safari fire truck. Oh, right hand po. Oh yeah. Okay, let's check out the other Vios Cup cars here. I think ito ata yung mga pang autocross eh. So let's go check.
Yeah, ito yung pang autocross.
Yes it is. Ito yung mga automatic CVT transmission. So ganda pa rin. Ayan o, full race spec. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ano, gusto mo i-try yan?
Definitely.
Definitely. Let's check out the Gazoo Racing PH paddock. So ayan, we have 2 slots. Si Boss Francis of BREMBO over there. So tapos na ang round 2 of the Toyota Gazoo Racing Vios Cup. So nag-enjoy ka ba? So
Napagod pero sobrang worth it.
mainit, nakakapagod pero worth it, di ba?
Super draining pero
Super
super
draining.
worth it.
Saya naman.
Very good first experience.
Ayan, so first time mo dito sa Clark, first time mo to see a real live race, especially sa Vios Cup pa. So
Yeah.
napakasaya. So sama ka uli?
Of course.
O yun.
Hindi mo na ako kailangan tanungin.
Ayan, sasama na, di ba? So susunod naman mga car meets naman, sama ka sa akin.
Expect nyo ako guys. Next
Ayan.
month.
So expect more Kiefer on our vlogs. So palagi siyang kasama na ngayon. So I think this is it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Carbon Media. You could also like and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and
Get the merch.
TikTok. Get the merch. Maglalabas tayong merch soon. So looking forward to that. So, again, this is Mikey for
This is
Carbon Media
Kiefer.
and Kiefer. Thanks for watching. Peace.